The first of those is that trusts and estates are all we do. We don't handle normally anything like real estate matters or corporate matters. Anything that involves the probate court or estate planning or assets of a decedent, those are things we focus on. And we specialize in that. The State Bar of California has made me a specialist in estate planning and probate matters. So that's sort of our first focus, is that we are an extremely focused law firm. That's what differentiates us. Second, we're a small firm where all of our attorneys have come from larger law firms where they've received training from the top lawyers in the world. We've also come from top law schools like the University of California, Berkeley, Stanford, University of California, Hastings. So we bring to our small firm a big firm practice, but with a lot of more hand-holding and client attention than you might get at a large firm. Finally, we also handle cases on what's called a contingency basis. We'll often take on a case where a client can't afford to pay us up front. And so what we agree is that we will take the case to trial if necessary or try to resolve it. And whatever the firm recovers for the client, the firm will keep a percentage of that. Many large firms won't do that because of the risk or because they might not get paid, but that's something that gives us flexibility to help clients who might not otherwise have the resources to go to trial. So in the state of California, the State Board of Legal Specialization appoints certain attorneys as specialists in trust, probate, and estate law. And we are one of those firms. And that includes only 3% of all estate planning attorneys in the state of California, and only 0.5% or 0.5% of all attorneys in California are specialists. So knowing that someone's a specialist should give our clients the reassurance that we are up to date on the law concerning trusts and estates, that any new changes in trusts and estates are things we become aware of and advise our clients of. And finally, what's most unusual about the firm is that we're estates and trust specialists who are also trial attorneys. That's extremely rare. There are almost no attorneys in the state of California who primarily practice in courtrooms, but also are specialists in trusts and estates. Certainly those are some of the qualities that a client should look for in finding the best trust and estate attorney for their situation.